Hello everyone, this is Matt with Storm Central for the latest audio and video forecast and weather briefing on the occurring severe and forecast to occur severe weather and tornado outbreak. We're going to start with the picture for a moment. We're going to look at the current watches for the tornado outbreak May 24th, 2011. We have the first outbreak first watch that is in this area right here. I'm going to highlight it again. And this is for portions of Colorado and Kansas till 10 o'clock Central Daylight Time. And this includes the western part of Kansas and parts of the central part. Also, and then the eastern, southwestern parts of Colorado. Now we have the particularly dangerous situation, the PDS watch, out for portions of the Texas Panhandle and Oklahoma till 10 o'clock Central Daylight Time. We also have a severe thunderstorm watch that's in blue over here for St. Louis area that is out till, I believe, 8 o'clock Central Daylight Time, but I have to check the time. And then we have three more watches over here, and this is a severe thunderstorm watch till 8 Eastern Time. We have another one over here till 5 Eastern Time. And we have another severe thunderstorm watch out till 8 Eastern Time for Virginia and North Carolina areas. Now we're going to go to the next photo here. There we go. I'm having some technical difficulties here. Alright, here we go. Alright, now we're going to show why this moisture is in place for the severe weather outbreak to occur. Now we're having 60 to 70 degree dew points, and that's marked in this reddish area here. Now we're going to mark it here. We're trying this out here. This is in the 60 to 70 degree dew points. Over here is all in the 60 degree area. All over here, the dew point area. Now we have a wind shear over here marked by this jet stream, which is causing strong lift in the atmosphere. Also, the Gulf moisture pumping northward into this area is causing a colliding with the cold front and warm front with the low, which is causing a severe weather outbreak. This is a classic severe weather outbreak to occur. Now let's go to the energy in the atmosphere, which is shown here. Let's get rid of this again. Let's see if we can get rid of this. Alright, yeah, this is showing the energy in the atmosphere, and it's showing the best where we thought would be in this area. And that's where the moderate risk and high risk for set out by the Storm Prediction Center is in that area. And the darker the blues and purples is the strongest energy in the atmosphere with all those ingredients combined. Now we're going to go to the Storm Prediction Center's look on this. And as it shows, it's a high risk in this area out for today, and that is marked in this pinkish purplish color and says high. And then you have the moderate risk, which is in purple or red here, and this is for this area. And then you have the whole slight risk here in this area, which includes all the way up to New York and Boston areas, and then all the way down, all the way around. Well, we don't think this is more over isolated up in Pennsylvania and New York areas. This tornado risk will mostly be confined to this area in the moderate, that is in this area. Now, have we had any reports today? We shall check. And as you can see, we have not had many reports today. We've had 40 reports coming in. That's mostly of the boat echo that is now that caused the severe thunderstorm watch to go out for portions of St. Louis, has produced a few damage reports over there in that area. And then we have some hail and wind reports with the thunderstorm watches out over there. Alright, now we're going to go to something different here. We're going to take a look at the current radar, and this is in Oklahoma. Let's try getting rid of this here. Alright, this is current radar. As you can see, in this area here, this is the tornado watch box, and this is out till 10 o'clock Central Daylight Time. And we have two storms with severe thunderstorm warnings on them, and this is in the Oklahoma City area. Now if we're going to put this in motion, these storms have just blossomed and blew up lately. Whoops. Yeah, these storms have just blossomed and blew up lately, and we expect them to keep blowing up for the next couple of hours. Alright, now we've been loaded with severe storm of questions and everything coming in, but we do believe this is the day. All the forecasters have checked in this area, and this is the day to see high. Now we'll do one more thing. This is for the high areas. Here we're showing tornado risk. The best tornado risk would be in this area with the high risk. And then we're showing 30% out over here, and then 10 stretching all the way out in this area. Now if you go to the wind threat of this, wind is a little different. Then the tornado risk includes a bigger portion, more into the Joplin, which is located around this area. And then you go to the hail threat here. Hail is first time I've seen a 60% this whole time. It's a very big chance of hail. We're up to 4 inches in diameter, and winds gusting up to 90 miles an hour for this area. Alright, let's see if that's done loading and we can get that going real quick for you. And as you can see, these storms have just blossomed up and went through Hobart, Oklahoma, and then North Kansas, and then southward in the Texas Panhandle will be the busiest of all day today, all the way, and these storms will not stop going midnight hours. Alright, I'd like to thank everyone for watching Storm Central's video and audio update. For those who sent pictures of 2 nights ago, we will be showing those either later on tonight or tomorrow, as this is the main priority, is keeping us safe. I'd like, before the storms hit, to have a plan ready, especially for all those in portions of southwestern Missouri, southern and central Kansas, portions of Colorado, Texas Panhandle, and Oklahoma, to have a plan ready in case there is a tornado warning in effect for your area. Also, if you live in home, I would suggest you go to a friend's house now, because with these we're expecting some very strong tornadoes along with EF1 and EF2. Alright, so everyone, please stay tuned to Storm Central and their local radar, and beware of surroundings. I'd like to thank you all for watching, and stay tuned. Thank you very much. Stay safe.